Here's a 2017 Ford Explorer. The adventure starts where the pavement stops in this capable SUV. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive writes, for many years, the Ford Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in the market. A capable tow vehicle and off-roader, the Explorer also offers the generous interior space, comfort features, and safety technologies necessary for day-to-day tasks. Built on tradition, built to last, Ford. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.